Welcome back. Welcome back. And we do another hair loss transformation. All right, the weed doctor's back and ready to attack. Child, the weed doctor put in some work today, honey. That hair was balled up like a bird in a nest, honey. Child, ooh, that hair was jacked. Child, she had to come down to the weed doctor. The weed doctor had to bring and revitalize that custom unitive back to life. We are doing the alopecia hair loss transformation. It's another one of our beautiful hair loss strong warriors. And now we need to cut her hair so we can be prepping everything for her installation. And yes, honey, it's coming now. I told you now, baby. This unit's about 7 months old, child. She had not been coming back to this weed doctor. Child, that the wig that got alopecia itself. Oh, child, look at that scalp. Girl, come on down to the weed doctor. And now she's gonna get another unit to coming. She's gonna get another unit to coming. But girl, look how the weed doctor revitalized them edges. And make sure to like and subscribe, child. We're begging for likes in year 2022 and up. Girl, look at them edges. Girl, ha ha. Girl, girl, see, look how the weed doctor put them edges on that lace front to unity for 7 months. Oh, honey, baby, make it look like it's brand new. Make it look like it's brand new, honey. Now, all right, come on down to the weed doctor. All right, chicks. Don't be keeping y'all wigs in too long.